Hey guys, it's Renee here from Kiwi Can Leader. I hope everyone is staying safe and they staying home, stay safe. So all of us are all in lockdown at the moment. So I thought I would take you guys through a demo of making fluffy Play-Doh. Or if you want to add a little bit more conditioner, you can make it into a bit of a slime mixture. Before we get started though, make sure your parents are okay with you making the Play-Doh and the slime. So maybe a bit of parental guidance would be great. I'm the Kiwi Can leader of Cuts College and Te Wharikuta and Te Mātai and Te Ranga. So let's get started. First of all, you need some corn flour. Yep. And you need some conditioner. Doesn't have to be this conditioner. Doesn't need to be this corn flour, alright? It can be any type of corn flour that you can use. And if you want to mix it up with some different colors, some food coloring. So I've got yellow, red, and green. Let's get started, guys. So depending on how much slime you want to make, add a cup of corn flour. Just gonna move this camera down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Awesome. So the corn flour, added the cup. And add a couple of tablespoons of conditioner. Just add how much you would like with the consistency of conditioner. So I'm starting to make it. Let me move this camera a little bit more. Awesome. Sorry guys. Let's try this. We're on the laptop. See if this works. Okay, so we've added the conditioner, starting to thicken up. Might add a little bit more, another tablespoon. So I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. It's all about that resilience, and no, we're probably missing the stores right now. Some of you guys are probably missing the takeaways, bit of KFC, McDonald's. But if we stay home and stay safe, be resilient, we will all get through this. Okay, team? A little bit more conditioner. Now it's starting to thicken up. Awesome. I'm going to start using my fingers. Yep. Here we go. Starting to get through it. Here we go. Starting to make. There's my husband, James. He's doing some renos downstairs. Awesome. So now, made a ball of Play-Doh. Oh, I even got some on the laptop. Have a look. So you want it to the consistency on how you want it. So I'm doing the Play-Doh today. Perfect. Now you don't need to use just 1 cup. Depends on how much Play-Doh you want to play with. Okay. If you want it slimier, add a little bit more conditioner. I'm doing Play-Doh today. And what we're going to do is, as you can see, yeah, I'm going to get it off my hands. And awesome. What I've got now is I've got a couple of bowls. What I might do. There we go. A couple of bowls here. Hopefully that's clear enough. And I'm going to do 2 lots of different kind of Play-Doh. Alright, here's one bowl, another bowl. Oh, a little bit there. Like that. Don't you see that? Let's move it around a bit, guys? It's a little bit hard doing this on my phone. So, as you can see, 1 bowl, 2 bowls. You can make as many bowls as you want, depending on how much food colouring you've got. I think I am going to go with green and yellow today. Let's stick with the Kiwi Can colours. So, a bit of green, do a few drops. Oh, it's a lot. And we'll go with the yellow. A couple of drops. And I'm going to mix it up. There we go. So as you can see, it's starting to mix. It's starting to look good. A little bit more. I want a little bit dark, so good. So I'm mushing it into the bowl right now. Get in there. Now, it depends on how dark you want it, okay, guys? So my one's not too dark because I want to save my food colouring for some other demos that we can use some food colouring during our lock-in. So there is my green, as you can see. And now I'm going to do my yellow. Oh, I'm really liking the yellow. Awesome. Getting somewhere. It's looking good. Sorry guys, I'm just switching that up. Awesome. And here is my yellow Play-Doh. Now, as I said, you can add more conditioner and you can make it slimy. So here we go. And there we go. Easy peasy. We have some yellow Play-Doh. And we have some green Play-Doh. Hope I've helped you out with this lesson today. As I said, stay safe, stay resilient, stay home. Stay home, stay resilient, stay home. Stay safe. Thanks, guys. Bye.